Sunday, May 10th. And I'm going to take the Mayfield down, which has been up for 3 years at this point. And I forgot I had this. It's a pretty small Encon, I would say. It's a small 4-blade, 36-inch, Premier Deluxe, I guess white and gold finish fan. Look how thick and tiny the blades are. Very lightweight glass globe. Got this local sale here, and I really don't want to open it, but the box is all beat up and crap. It's got all the pendants, all the hardware. It's literally, what, 2:26 in the morning? It's the weekend, who cares? I might actually install this thing. I was taking this down to do some cleaning and stuff, because that bulb right there was out. Let's see which one it is, actually. It is this guy, I think. No? Well, one of these is bad. Yep, you can see it. See that filament's literally connected to nothing? See it swarming around? These bulbs have been in there for 4 or 5 years. One of them finally gave in. The autofocus would function correctly. So yeah, we'll see if I actually get it installed. Unfortunately, installation of the globe broke it because it's that thin, but the fan's installed. Nice little traditional LED in there. It works perfectly. If anyone knows where I can find a globe for this, it'd be great. It's this style with the gold ring. Here's the box and the model number, if that helps at all. And it's got pretty good bearings in it for sitting around for a long time. So yeah, next time. Okay, fan's assembled, and I put the old bowl on, even though it is cracked. It's fine. It's just, you have to get a new one. It's very thin, so. I don't have a light bulb in there, I just have it as a fan, and it works. You can see the mounting job, see how the ceiling is, they didn't cut it very well. Happens in this old house. So yeah, nothing much more to it. Alright, it's Monday, May 11th, 2020, and I'm gonna do a short video after the one I previously already made of this ceiling fan I've had for a long time, actually a few months, almost a year now. It's an Encon Premier Series 36-inch downrod style 4-blade spinner type fan. Now, the reason it doesn't have the glass is because the glass broke when I was installing it. Now that bulb was not there. I had a standard A19, a small one. I think that's called an A19. And I was tightening the screws and the globe just broke, fell, and hit the chair. So, you know, got a yard sale for like $2. I really don't care. So I'll turn it on. Just do the light since it's pretty simple. Works fine. Now I should have it in downdraft. And we'll start with high speed. It's medium. Pretty nice low speed. And I'm not going to do reverse because it's kind of ridiculous. But if I can stop it. Now I like this thing because it's gold. It's got gold with gold stencils. Which change color when light turns on. When we turn it off, they're nice deep brass. Really a brass finish, but that's the tag, Encon tag. I know there's more on here. Are they just warnings? What's this other one? Oh, it's a caution and a UL listed tag. There's another one up in there. Not much more to it. This is going to be coming back down. And the Mayfield, which is in pieces, is going to go back up. That's it. Okay, so I just removed the blades from it. Want to see how it runs, which is nothing. Pretty interesting. Look how fast it picks up speed.